We'll guide you through how to compare Inkscape and Affinity Designer effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open both Inkscape and Affinity Designer on your desktop to get a direct feel of their interfaces. Inkscape is a powerful open source vector graphics editor, well known for its comprehensive feature set and community support. On the other hand, Affinity Designer is a professional grade tool offering a sleek interface and advanced features at a one-time purchase cost. When you first open Inkscape, you'll notice its toolbar on the left with a variety of drawing and path tools. This makes it perfect for those familiar with free software looking to create vector designs. Now, open Affinity Designer, and you'll see its clean and intuitive workspace, which is ideal for professional designers who need precision and advanced functionalities like pixel-perfect editing and non-destructive effects. One major difference to consider is how each software handles file formats. Inkscape primarily uses the SVG format, which is great for web use and ensures scalability without quality loss. Affinity Designer, however, supports a wider range of professional file formats like EPS, PDF, and PSD, making it more versatile for those working across different platforms when it comes to performance. Affinity Designer tends to be faster and more responsive, especially with larger files due to its streamlined code and support for hardware acceleration. Inkscape, being open source, is constantly updated by a community of developers, ensuring it remains a robust tool, but it might lag slightly in performance on older systems. Both tools offer extensive online resources, but Affinity Designer provides dedicated customer support, which can be a deciding factor if you anticipate needing assistance. Ultimately, the choice between Inkscape and Affinity Designer comes down to your specific needs and budget. If you prioritize a free tool with a strong community, Inkscape is the way to go. If you need a professional tool with advanced features and dedicated support, Affinity Designer is worth the investment. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.